Hey there, welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're delving into the art of provoking a woman's attention, a skill that can make all the difference in your dating life. Whether you're looking to spark interest in someone new or reignite the flame with your current partner, understanding how to capture a woman's attention is essential. So, stay tuned as we explore 20 effective strategies to provoke her interest and keep her captivated. Segment 1. Make a memorable first impression. They say first impressions matter, and they're right. When meeting a woman for the first time, make it count. Show confidence, maintain eye contact, and greet her with a genuine smile. Your initial interaction sets the tone for what follows. So make sure it's memorable. Segment 2. Engage her mind with stimulating conversation. One surefire way to provoke a woman's attention is through stimulating conversation. Ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and share your own thoughts and experiences. Show genuine interest in what she has to say, and don't be afraid to delve into meaningful topics. Segment 3. Showcase your unique personality. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine. Women are attracted to authenticity, so embrace your quirks and showcase what makes you unique. Whether you're witty, adventurous, or passionate about a particular hobby, let your true self come through. Segment 4. Pay attention to the details. It's the little things that often make the biggest impact. Pay attention to the details, whether it's remembering her favorite coffee order or surprising her with a thoughtful gesture. Showing that you notice and appreciate the small things about her can leave a lasting impression. Segment 5. Be confident, not cocky. Confidence is undeniably attractive, but there's a fine line between confidence and cockiness. Stay humble while exuding self-assurance, and avoid coming across as arrogant. A confident yet humble demeanor will draw her in and keep her intrigued. Segment 6. Flirt playfully. Flirting is a fun and effective way to provoke a woman's attention. Keep things playful and lighthearted, and don't be afraid to tease her gently. A well-timed compliment or a witty remark can create sparks and pique her interest. Segment 7. Create mystery and intrigue. Mystery is a powerful tool when it comes to capturing a woman's attention. Leave her wanting to know more about you by revealing information gradually. Keep her guessing with a hint of mystery, and she'll be intrigued to unravel the mystery further. Segment 8. Show genuine interest in her life. Take the time to get to know her on a deeper level by showing genuine interest in her life. Ask about her passions, dreams, and aspirations, and listen attentively to her responses. Demonstrating that you value her thoughts and experiences will make her feel seen and appreciated. Segment 9. Be present in the moment. In today's fast-paced world, being present is a rare commodity. Show her that you're fully engaged and present in the moment when you're together. Put away distractions like your phone and give her your undivided attention. It's a surefire way to provoke her interest. Segment 10. Embrace vulnerability. Vulnerability can be a powerful way to connect with a woman on a deeper level. Don't be afraid to share your thoughts, feelings, and insecurities with her. Opening up in a genuine and authentic way can create a strong emotional bond and provoke her interest. Segment 11. Be playful and spontaneous. Inject some fun and spontaneity into your interactions to keep her on her toes. Surprise her with spontaneous adventures, playful challenges, or unexpected gestures. Keeping things light and exciting will make her eager to spend more time with you. Segment 12. Demonstrate reliability and dependability. Showing that you're reliable and dependable is key to earning her trust and provoking her interest. Follow through on your promises, be there for her when she needs support, and show that she can count on you. Consistency and reliability are incredibly attractive qualities. Segment 13. Share your passions and ambitions. Women are drawn to men who are passionate and ambitious about their goals and aspirations. Share your passions, dreams, and ambitions with her, and invite her to be a part of your journey. A man with a clear sense of purpose is undeniably attractive. Segment 14. Be attentive to her needs. Take the time to understand her needs and desires. and make an effort to fulfill them whenever you can. Whether it's offering a listening ear, providing emotional support, or simply being there for her, showing that you care about her well-being will provoke her interest. Segment 15. Be respectful and considerate. Respect and consideration are non-negotiables when it comes to provoking a woman's interest. Treat her with kindness, empathy, and respect her boundaries at all times. Being respectful and considerate will earn you her admiration and respect in return. Segment 16. Be a good listener. Listening is a crucial skill when it comes to capturing a woman's attention. Be attentive and genuinely interested in what she has to say, and avoid interrupting or dominating the conversation. Showing that you value her thoughts and opinions will make her feel heard and appreciated. Segment 17. Maintain a positive attitude. A positive attitude is contagious and incredibly attractive. Stay optimistic and upbeat, even in the face of challenges or setbacks. Your positivity will uplift her spirits and make her enjoy spending time with you even more. Segment 18. Respect her independence. While it's important to show interest in her, it's equally important to respect her independence and autonomy. Encourage her to pursue her own interests and hobbies, and give her the space she needs to thrive. A man who respects her independence will earn her admiration and respect. Segment 19. Be genuine and authentic. Authenticity is key when it comes to provoking a woman's interest. Be true to yourself and genuine in your interactions with her. Don't try to be someone you're not or pretend to be someone you think she wants you to be. Your authenticity will shine through and attract her to you. Segment 20. Be patient and persistent. Finally, be patient and persistent in your pursuit of provoking her interest. Building a meaningful connection takes time and effort, so don't expect instant results. Stay consistent, keep showing up, and trust that your efforts will pay off in the end. And there you have it, 20 effective strategies to provoke a woman's interest and capture her attention. Remember, it's not about playing games or manipulating her, it's about being genuine, respectful, and attentive to her needs. By implementing these strategies, you can create meaningful connections and build lasting relationships with the women you desire. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice. Thanks for watching, and happy provoking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.